Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nuria. Today I am going to take you through a tutorial about debugging. Last time I was working on a simple calculator project, simple student mark calculation, and I came across this bug, this error that says Uncaught TypeError and cannot set properties of null. So I searched on Google, on YouTube, and I found a number of YouTube videos, and but that was not helpful for my problem because the cause was different. So the reason I made this tutorial is maybe you'll experience the same problem and the error is the same but the cause is different. So when you find the solution that is existing, one won't solve it when the cause is different. So that's why I want to share this with you. So let me take you to the project, and then now I have removed the error, so I will reintroduce the error so that I can show you. Okay, so this is the project. Just we have two entries here, a form calculating student mark. Okay, so normally working, it is supposed to work like this. Now what happened was last time I had a typing error, so I mistyped the in the script, in the JavaScript. This one, this is the ID of the output, but I kept it like this, so there was a spelling error. Now what happens, let's see. It's going to produce the same error that we are talking about. Okay, so now I put like this, and then when I ask to calculate, it won't calculate. You can't see anything here because we have here the error that is saying Uncaught TypeError cannot set properties. So this error, when I was searching on YouTube to solve this problem, I found that this error can result, one of the reasons this error can result is when you place the JavaScript code on top of the when you include it inside the header. So the HTML before the HTML has loaded the JavaScript, before the HTML has loaded, the JavaScript has been executed, so it's trying to initialize something that is not there. Yeah, that was the reason, but for me it wasn't working because for my case it was a spelling error. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.